Hey there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. The number one product today is called AI Client Goldmine. So AI is obviously artificial intelligence. The Client Goldmine, these guys from Offline Sharks do consulting. And so I like to start at the finish. The cost of this product is $29.99 US. And I can tell you almost without a doubt that there's not a product, not a service that you would offer to a client based on this that would make you less than 30 bucks. That would make you anywhere near 30 bucks. Almost everything is hundreds of dollars, $1,000, that kind of thing. This is, like they say, the most profitable use of artificial intelligence yet. So this is about finding people who are looking for stuff, who need things, and offering it to them and having it outsourced so that you can offer it to them and then you make the difference on the money. And what I mean by that, let's look inside and I'll show you pretty quickly what I'm talking about here. So you can watch the demo videos. They talk about it here. Never do another proposal again. Never chase unqualified prospects. Never waste hours with social media. So what they're saying is the artificial intelligence can go out and find people that are needing things. So here you go. How would you like to almost order up new clients on demand? So what they're going to do here, let me show you this. SEO. So artificial intelligence goes out, finds guys that need SEO stuff done. Did my first SEO audit yesterday for $400. Now, the part that's cool about this is $400 isn't money in your pocket, but you're probably outsourcing it for like $100 or $50 or something like that. Here we go. Picked up an SEO audit for $295. Outsourcing this too. You're starting to get the idea. You're offering, and then here's more of a big name, $1,000 SEO package, $1,038 after using a website audit as our foot in the door. So the foot in the door is important. You will maybe want to look at doing things for free to get to the decision maker. So that's the whole trick to this. And once you've done a service for them and made them money, showed them that you're reputable, reliable, and profitable. Profitable probably is number one. You could probably be a gangster, and if you're making them 20 grand a month, they're like, hey, keep paying the gangster. Okay, that's an exaggeration? Maybe. But the whole point of this is that you're able to do services for customers out there, and the artificial intelligence is going to go out and find the guys who need it. So this is a whole package. I'm going to see if I can scroll down here and go, look at this. We use software to identify the leads, qualify the leads, produce the audit, schedule a strategy session. You can see here, somewhere in there, they said 4 hours worth of work done in 10 minutes. So I'm going to put the link for you in the, I think my daughter's coming home from school. I'm going to cut it short. Links in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. Really, there's a quick summary there. It's got everything from the modules listed, and you click the funny AI Client Goldmine kind of robot-looking thing. Boom, you're on this page. You can watch the demo video, look through a lot more details. And again, it's $29.99. I'm going to scream to the bottom and go, yeah, 30 bucks, like I said. So check it out. This can take care of all the things that you need to make you money for 30 bucks. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.